Which model provider should a beginner choose for Rocky? Start with the path that is easiest for you to authenticate and verify. Hermes supports many providers: NewPortal, OpenAI Codex, Anthropic, OpenRouter, Gemini, DeepSeek, XAI, local endpoints, and more. You do not need all of them on day one. Use Hermes model to pick one default provider and model. If you want broad model choice with API keys, OpenRouter is often convenient. If you want subscription or OAuth style access, use the providers exposed in the picker. If you're experimenting locally, custom endpoints, Ollama, VLLM, or other OpenAI compatible services can work when configured. After choosing, run one tiny test, then run Hermes config to see what changed, and Hermes Doctor to catch missing pieces. The point of Hermes is that Rocky workflows can survive provider changes. Pick one reliable model now, then improve routing and fallbacks after the basics work.